happy, terrific Tuesday. I know a lady in my life who's thoughtful and caring, loving and sharing, as sweet as Sugar Cube, a great friend and sister. Want to know who she is? She's reading this message right now. Yup, it's you. Love you, sis. Send this to the girls you'll not forget, including me. If you don't send this to anyone, it means you're too busy. However, if you get 6 back, you're really loved. Happy Sisters Day. You have to tell at least 12 sisters you love them, blood or not. I hope I get one back. I'm blessed to have you as my sister. Love you, my sister. For anyone that's going through anything, sickness, loss of a loved one, heartbroken, divorced, you're going through any kind of abuse, know that God is there and He loves you. So do I. Have a blessed Tuesday.
Happy
Much
Tuesday, y'all. Happy Tuesday. Y'all, my little grandson played football. I'm going to put a picture of him in his uniform. He's so little, though. God. And they play tackle. A little bit as if he actually tackled somebody. And somebody tackled him, he gets mad. But he's a character. I think y'all met him one time in one of the videos where he actually spoke. But he's such a kind, he's manipulative though, but he's such a little kind young man. Oh Lord, he is something else. But their little football team is having a homecoming. And so I'll be going to Houston to participate in the festivities. So I got to give me a t-shirt and all that type of stuff for it. So I'll be headed to H-Town. Yeah. Not much going on. I just wanted to come on and say hi. And our local cable company, now you got to have a different type of box to get any of the channels. And this guy was saying yesterday that previously with basic cable you can get from 2 to 90, but now with basic cable with the new box now you only get from like 2 to 13 or something like that. So do any of you have YouTube TV? He was saying that he has YouTube TV, so I wanted to look into that. I don't have to have cable because honestly I don't even use my cable that much. I watch YouTube more than I watch the cable, and then I really basically I used to always watch the morning news, but my day consists of work. So I'm working 8 hours out of the day. And so really, I don't watch very much TV. The most I watch on my TV is YouTube watching Kendra G. Do y'all watch Kendra G singles? Man, it'd be so funny. Some of those people. Ooh, Lord have mercy. But how's everybody doing? It's a little cool this morning. It feels good out here. I almost could have bought a little jacket. I didn't bring one, but I'm okay. I'll be in my office. I got a heater in my desk, so I'll be good. But yeah, tell me about you. I guess I need to do my research on it like I research everything else. YouTube TV, or what do you have for cable service? They telling me the boxes are $7.99 each. But I think what they did, because like right now, I can't get any channels. Now, I can get YouTube on my smart TV, but I can't even, because I wanted to do the Walk Away to Pounds CD. I don't know what it is, but I can't even do the walk. I think what it's done is basically cut out your satellite connection or whatever. I'm not sure, but oh, I know what it is. But no, that shouldn't affect the internet. Because at church, they haven't even, the service came out twice, but we still didn't have internet. But it's not supposed to affect the internet. It's supposed to only affect the cable. Huh. But anyway, y'all, I'll talk to y'all later. I just wanted to come on here and speak and tell y'all to have a good day and to be kind and don't be lazy, y'all. I'm telling y'all. And I want to ask y'all about this. Is begging people being faithful to God? What I'm saying is, if you believe God and you have faith that God is going to take care of you, is begging people not being faithful? Cause my life. Tell me what y'all think, because everybody different. I value your opinion just like I know you value mine, because you're listening to me. Ain't that many people? But like I say, hey, I'm not a number. I'm not worried about that. But anyway, look, check this out. Tell me this. If I believe and I have faith in God and I do all that I can do, they say, you know what they say, do all you can and God gonna do the rest. When you can't do no more, that's when he step in. If I'm begging people instead of relying on God, is that testing my faith, or is that having less faith? I don't know. That's just something I like for people to, I like a pastor to do a sermon on that. I really would. All right, I'll talk to y'all later. Have a blessed day. Bye. Wednesday, it's hump day again, y'all. And guess what? I came out of my house this morning. Is he sick or something? And I got on this little thin dress. I love it. It's cute. Every time I wear it, I get compliments. My daughter gave it to me. And y'all, it was 50 degrees when I got in my car. And then I had sandals on, so I was cool. And so it's hot now because I'm in the sun. But y'all, it is hot. I mean, it's cool. My car's saying 64. But just because the sun coming in makes it hot. How's everybody doing today? I didn't want to stay on here too long. But how cold is it where you are? I was reading where they were saying that we're going to have the El Nino, whatever, I'm going to put the name here. And it was saying that it's expected that it's going to be colder up north, but the south is going to have higher temperatures. I was like, ooh, I want to, let me tell you, so answer this, where do y'all live? And do you get all seasons? I want to be somewhere where I get to experience all the seasons. And I don't want it to be extremely, extremely hot in the summer. Where is that? Where do you live? Do you get all seasons? That's something that I would love to experience once I retire. Yeah. Another thing, I'm reaching out. I need some help. Not financial help. I need some people that know. I'm looking for anybody that knows anyone who reupholsters church pews and who stains them, like sand them down and stain them. I've been reaching out and I've been doing some research and trying to find people. We're trying to make some upgrades to our church sanctuary. And so I've been, trying to locate some businesses and, try to do it in a way that won't break the bank. So that's what I'm looking for. The light would change when ain't no traffic. But anyway, that's life. Yeah, so if you know anybody that, or a business, or maybe you're a business owner that reupholsters church furniture, reupholsters church pews, restain the pews. Now, one thing about one of the companies I reached out to, he said that you can't restain them inside. You have to actually take them outside to restain them. Yeah. So, but that's what we're looking to do. So that's the major task that we have. So if you know anybody, I ain't gonna be on here long. I'm headed back to work for my lunch. Talk to y'all later. Let me know. Bye.